students, welcome to Drona Edu. My name is Madhushri and I'm going to take for mathematics. Okay, so today I'm going to take for class 6 the chapter 13 called Symmetry. See, if you consider a game, okay, like playing a cards, no, the design of some playing cards also you can see they'll be having a symmetry. You can see, there is two cards here. So these are the best example of a symmetry. If I fold it, if I draw the line of symmetry, I can find that as symmetry. Okay, not only here, there is a beautiful figure, okay, that is called as Coach Snowflakes. Okay, Coach Snowflakes. So this is also having a symmetric pattern. Okay, yeah. Now let's solve the problem, which is, see, find the number of lines of symmetry for each of the following shape. Okay, see, here totally many pictures are given. So let's see whether how many lines of symmetry are there. If I take the first one, it is in the form of square. See, we just dealt with the square example. So how many fold we did? We did fold for 4 times. And we got to know there is a 4 lines of symmetry. Which means for the first figure, which is a square, I'm going to get 4 lines of symmetry. Okay. Similarly, if I consider the second figure as well, so here I can draw the, how much? 4 lines of symmetry again. The vertical one, horizontal one and 2 diagonal one. Okay. If I see the third figure as well, even here also a vertical one line, a horizontal and the diagonal 2 lines. Again here also I am getting 4 lines of symmetry, right? Whereas if I see the next one, so it is a form of doll, right? So here if I draw 4 lines, we can't find it as a symmetry. But on the middle, if I draw 1 line of symmetry, I can find 1 half would be symmetric to the another half. So here the line of symmetry would be only 1. Okay. Now if I see the figure C, here how much? It is having 6 sides. 6. Which means how many lines of symmetry I can draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Got it? Yeah. Now let's see the next one, which is, even this also it's in the form of hexagon as well as star shape, right? So even here also, since it's in the form of hexagon, which is having 6 sides, so of course it is having 6 lines of symmetry. Okay, now let's see the next one. Here, if I draw the line of symmetry, the 1 half would be not symmetric to the another half, which means it is not symmetric. So the line of symmetry would be how much? 0. Okay, similarly, the next diagram also, if I draw the line of symmetry, the 1 half would be not symmetric to the another half. So here also the line of symmetry is 0. Okay. Now if I see the next one, which is a flower, it is having 5 petals, which means how much line of symmetry I can draw? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Yeah. Now let's see the next question, which is, complete the following tables. Okay, in this you can see, there is an equilateral triangle and the number of lines of symmetry. So for the first one, the equilateral triangle is having how many number of symmetry? It is 3. It is given. Whereas the next one is not given. So let's find it. The next one is, which one? It's a square. Okay. For the square, I told you it will be having 4, right? So 4 lines of symmetry for the square. Similarly, the next one is rectangle. We just found that the rectangle was 2 lines of symmetry in the previous problem, right? Yeah. Now the next one is isosceles triangle. I told you, right, students, for isosceles triangle, it will be having only 2 sides as equal out of 3. So if I draw 1 line of symmetry, then 1 half would be symmetric to the other half. So only 1 line of symmetry we can draw there. Okay. So for the isosceles triangle, we will be having 1. And for the rhombus, so for the rhombus, we will be having 2. And for the circle, it will be countless. You can draw like anywhere. You will be get symmetric. So it will be countless. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the next type of problem. Okay. So which is, can you draw the triangle which has, first one is exactly 1 line of symmetry? Of course, yes. Which is that? Can you say, students? Just now I gave the example, which is isosceles triangle. Okay. So the isosceles triangle will be having 1 line of symmetry. So the next one is exactly 2 lines of symmetry. See, we just dealt with equilateral, isosceles and scaly. So for the equilateral, we will be having 3 lines of symmetry. Whereas for 2 lines of symmetry, it is impossible, right? Yeah. So no. Okay, so let's see the next question, which is exactly 3 lines of symmetry. So of course, yes, it is a equilateral triangle. Okay, let's see the next question, which is no lines of symmetry. Of course, yes, which is a scaly triangle, right? Yeah. Okay, now consider the next question, which is consider the letter of English alphabets A to Z and list among them letters which have, the first one is vertical lines of symmetry, a vertical one. Okay, okay, see, for example, they are given A. Okay, you can draw the vertical line, you will get it. Similarly, if I consider H, vertical line, so one half will be similar to another half. Okay, similarly, let me consider I, right? I also a vertical one, it will divide 2 halves. M as well, even O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. So all these are examples for this vertical lines of symmetry. If you have any doubts regarding these topics, please do comment down. I'm going to give you a review. So let's discuss. Okay. Until then, let's meet in next class. Bye bye.